There are pieces left behind, living softly in my mind. Every little thing you gave still remains. Now the morning starts to rise through the silver painted skies, and the soul I thought would break stays awake. Soft blue rooms and quiet rain, holding on to little things. Every lonely part of me still can breathe. Soft blue rooms beneath the night, turning darkness into light. Every shadow fades away when you stay. The highway lights were burning through the cold night air tonight, and every mile disappeared behind the headlights. We drove with nowhere left to go, just following the road. I spent too many years trying to hold too tight to people already believe in my life. Every promise slipping through my hands like dust across the sand. There were nights I thought my heart would break underneath the weight of every mistake, but every storm that passed me by kept me alive. Now the wind is rushing through my veins like freedom after rain. Every heartbeat starts to rise with the nights. Runaway hearts beneath the sky, trying hard to stay alive. Every lonely road we crossed was worth the cost. Runaway hearts against the storm, keeping every fire warm. Every shadow fades away at the break of day. Now the silence feels a little less afraid, like a darkness learned to change. Every road I fear to take kept me away. Maybe love was never built to stay still, like rivers running through the hills, and every scar beneath my skin pulled the light back in. Now the dawn is breaking through like the sky itself turned blue. Every heartbeat starts to glow with the road. Runaway hearts beneath the sky, trying hard to stay alive. Every lonely road we crossed was worth the cost. Runaway hearts against the storm, keeping every fire warm. Every shadow fades away at the break of day. If the road keeps stretching far, we will follow where you are. Every mile beneath the stars heals the scars. There is beauty in the run, in chasing after the sun. Every storm eventually sets us free. Now the morning floods the hills, and this silence finally heals. Every fear I carried long made me strong. Runaway hearts beneath the sky, trying hard to stay alive. Every The desert sky was blowing amber, fading light tonight, and every shadow stretched beneath the fire sky. Stood beside the dust road, listening close to the silence moving slow. We drove 4 miles through empty towns and broken signs, watching old power lines blur with time. Every mile carried stories through the heat, under restless feet. The radio plays softly through the night, like an old memory holding tight, and every little word became a spark inside the flame. Now the stars are open above, like reminders of enough. Every heartbeat starts to glow with the undertow. Desert skies over my soul, pulling me where rivers flow. Every lonely road I know leads me home. Desert skies and western wind, pulling all the light back in. Every shadow fades away at the break of day. Now the night feels softer than before, like I do not fear it anymore. Every silence in the sand feels like a hand. Maybe life was always meant to roam, searching for a place called home, and every road beneath the stars leads back to the heart. Now the moonlight fills the plains like music in my veins, every heartbeat moving slow with the glow. Desert skies over my soul, pulling me where rivers flow. Every lonely road I know leads me home. Desert skies and western wind, pulling all the light back in. Every shadow fades away at the break of day. If the earth can sing at night, maybe I will be alright. Every star above the dune still burns through. There is beauty in the wild, in the roads untouched by time. Every mile beneath the sky keeps me alive. Now the morning floods the land like a fire through the sand, and the soul I thought I lost still holds on. Desert skies over my soul, pulling me where rivers flow. Every lonely road I know leads me home. Desert skies and western wind, pulling all the light back in. Every shadow fades away at the break of day. The coastline fades beneath the heavy clouds tonight, and every wave dissolves into the light. I walk alone beside the silver sea, trying to remember how to breathe. I spent too many nights chasing your ghost, holding on to what already broke. Every conversation echoes low through the undertow. There were moments I could barely stay awake from the weight of every small mistake, and every silence in between said more than we could speak. Now the ocean moves beneath my skin like tide. Every heartbeat starts to slow with the flow. Fever goes beneath the rain, washing softly through the pain. Every lonely part of me calls your name. Fever goes inside my soul, pulling all the broken clothes. Every shadow disappears when you are near. Now the night feels softer than before, like I do not fear it anymore. Every tear I tried to hide still survives. Maybe love was always built to change, like the sea against the waves. And every road I fear to walk led through the dark. Now the stars appear above like reminders of enough. Every shadow starts to fade into gray. Fever coats beneath the rain, washing softly through the pain. Every lonely part of me calls your name. Fever coats inside my soul, pulling all the broken clothes. Every shadow disappears when you are near. If the tide can shape the shore, maybe I can change once more. Every wave that leaves the sand still comes back again. There are things time cannot hide, living underneath the tide. Every memory remains in the rain. Now the morning floods the sea, and the silence lets me breathe. Every part I thought was gone still holds on. Fever coats beneath the rain, washing softly through the pain. Every lonely part of me calls your name. Fever coats inside my soul, pulling all the broken clothes. Every shadow disappears when you are near. glowing softly in the blue light of the dawn. And every shadow lingers after you are gone. I sit beside the silence, listening close to everything I never spoke. I kept your photograph folded in my coat, like a fragile thing I could not let go. Every memory moves through me slow, like static through the radio. And there were nights I heard your voice inside the rain, like the world was whispering your name. And every empty hallway in this place still remembers your shade. Now the darkness settles in my chest, like a weight I cannot rest. Every heartbeat echoes low through the undertow. Blue static in my mind, pulling at the space and time. Every little part of you still shines through. Blue static in the night, flickering beneath the light. Every silence says your name again. Now the morning feels a little less severe, like your warmth is somehow still here. Every breath inside this room carries your perfume. Maybe love survives another way, living underneath the pain. And every road I walk alone still feels like home. Now the sky is opening above, like it understands enough. Every shadow starts to fade into gray. Blue static in my mind, pulling at the space and time. Every little part of you still shines through. Blue static in the night, flickering beneath the light. Every silence says your name again. Maybe love survives when gone. Every memory leaves behind a trace in time. There are pieces of your soul living in the things I hold. Every shadow in this place still wears your face. Now the morning starts to rise. I was shaking underneath the pouring rain tonight, and every road ahead was burning in the light. I stood among the ruins of my pride, with nowhere left to hide. I spent my younger years running from the truth, breaking every promise made in you. Every reckless word became a chain wrapped around my name. There were fires raging deep beneath my skin, wars I never thought that I could win. And every bridge I tried to leave behind still lived inside my mind. Now the storm is roaring through my chest like it will not let me rest. Every scar begins to glow through the smoke. Ashes and gold inside my veins, every loss became a flame. Even through the darkest night, I still fight. Ashes and gold beneath my skin, pulling all the light back in. Every broken part of me still believes. Now the silence cuts a little less severe, drawing near. Every road I feared to face led me to this place. Maybe all the ruin had a reason why. Maybe every fall prepared me to survive. And every wound I tried to bury deep still planted seeds. Now the dawn is breaking through the gray like the night gives way. Every heartbeat starts to rise with the light. Ashes and gold inside my veins, every loss became a flame. Even through the darkest night, I still fight. Ashes and gold beneath my skin, pulling all the light back in. Every broken part of me still believes. I will not abandon faith. Every storm that bent my soul made me whole. There is mercy in the pain and standing up again. Every shadow, every scar made me who we are. Now the fire fills my chest, and I no longer fear the wreck. Every road that led me here brought me near. Ashes and gold inside my veins, every loss became a flame. Even through the darkest night, I still fight. Ashes and gold beneath my skin, pulling all the light back in. Every broken part of me still believe. The ceiling light flickers softly in the room tonight, and every shadow stretches toward the light. I sit awake, listen to the rain fall against the window pane. I spent so many nights afraid to speak, like my heart was growing weak. Every thought I buried deep inside stayed alive. There were moments I could barely recognize the tired look behind my eyes, and every little fear I tried to hide still survived. Now the silence moves through me like a restless sea. Every heartbeat starts to slow in the undertow. Slow hearts beating through the dark, trying not to fall apart. Every lonely piece of me wants to heal. Slow hearts underneath the rain, learning how to love again. Every shadow starts to fade when you stay. Now the night feels softer than before, like I do not fear it anymore. Every wound I used to hide away has begun to change. Maybe healing does not come all at once. Maybe it moves quiet like the months, and every tear I could not understand was part of the plan. Now the daylight moves through me like a different kind of peace. Every heartbeat starts to glow, slowly, slow. Slow hearts beating through the dark, trying not to fall apart. Every lonely piece of me wants to heal. Slow hearts underneath the rain, learning how to love again. Every shadow starts to fade when you stay. Maybe pain will never last. Every storm that shakes the trees leaves peace. There is beauty in the slow, in the things we cannot hold. Every broken branch below still can grow. Now the morning starts to rise through the silver painted skies, and the soul I thought would break stays awake. Slow hearts beating through the dark, trying